You're probably here because you want to save money fast, and trust me, you're in the right place. We're about to drop 10 genius hacks that'll grow your savings faster than ever. Stick around till the end because number 1 is a total game changer. Number 10, the 24-hour rule. Before buying anything that's not essential, wait 24 hours. This stops impulse spending and helps you decide if you really need it. More often than not, you'll forget about it and boom, money saved. Number 9, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account every time you get paid. Even if it's just $10, it adds up fast and you won't even miss it. Number 8, the $5 challenge. Every time you get a $5 bill, save it. People who do this end up saving hundreds, even thousands, without even trying. Number 7, unsubscribe and cancel. Go through your bank statements and cancel unused subscriptions. That gym membership you never use, that streaming service you forgot about. Cut them off and watch your savings grow. Number 6, buy in bulk, but smartly. Bulk buying saves money, but only if you're smart about it. Stock up on essentials like rice, pasta, toilet paper, and cleaning supplies. You'll pay less per unit and make fewer trips to the store. Number 5, the no-spend weekend. Challenge yourself to spend nothing for an entire weekend. No takeout, no shopping, no Starbucks. Instead, cook at home. Enjoy free activities and watch how much you save. Number 4, high-interest savings accounts. Your money should be working for you. Move your savings to a high-interest account so it grows while you sleep. Even a small difference in interest rates can mean hundreds of extra dollars per year. Number 3, the envelope budgeting method. Take out cash for your spending categories like groceries, entertainment, and gas, and put them in separate envelopes. When the cash is gone, you're done spending. It's old school, but it works like magic. Number 2, meal prep like a pro. Eating out drains your wallet. Instead, cook meals in advance. Store them in portions, and stop wasting money on overpriced takeout. Bonus tip, use a grocery list so you don't overspend at the store. Number 1, the 50-30-20 rule. This is the ultimate money-saving formula. 50% for needs, rent, bills, groceries, 30% for wants, fun, dining out, 20% for savings and investments. If you follow this, you'll build wealth, reduce stress, and reach financial freedom faster than ever. Which money-saving hack was your favorite? Drop a comment below. And if you want to learn how to make more money while saving, check out our other videos on side hustles, investing, and passive income. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a money-saving tip that could change your life. See you in the next video.